Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to connect your Zohomail with your Gmail account. So this is a step-by-step tutorial. So firstly we'll need to open our browser. Then this is, as you can see, the official website of Zohomail. You need to sign in. So once you're signed in, as you can see here, this is the signed in version. So we're going to click on the settings at the top right corner. Once this comes in, we're going to scroll in and go to mail accounts. Then click the IMAP icon. Then here mine is already on, so you just need to turn it on for yours. So once you save it, we're going to go to our Gmail app. Once we go to our Gmail app, we're going to click in the icon, as you can see, the E icon. Then we're going to add another account, other. Then you're going to type in your Zohomail account here. Once you did this, you're going to type in your password. So for the IMAP server, you're going to type in imap.zoho.com. Then you're going to proceed to next. Again, it's going to ask you for the SMTP server. Same here, smtp.zoho.com. So you're going to type in your name. So once you're done, your Zoho mail account is registered on your Gmail. So here you can send and receive emails from your Gmail app. So this is the step-by-step tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Subscribe for more. See you again.